Today I'm going to be reviewing KitchekShop. Look at this KitchekShop coffee mug warmer. I got this. I've used it. It's not plugged in right now. Pretty decent sized cord. This is it. Definitely do not touch this when it's hot. Comes with 4 temperatures. So, depending on how hot you want to keep your coffee, it's a really good idea. They've had these out before. This is just a little bit more modern than what you've said. It does have auto turn off, so it has safety features. You can choose between 1 and 12 hours for it to turn off, although they do suggest when not in use to unplug it, which I suggest too, just to be safe. But it's not very big. You can see it easily will fit on your desk. You want coffee and you want to keep it warm. I always have an issue, unless you have it in a thermos, it's going to get cold, and some people drink it over hours. So this is really nice to have. It does really well on Amazon. This is, again, what it looks like up close right there. Gets 4.6 stars. I love to see that. 3,654 reviews. And last month, October 2025, 7,000 of these were bought. Overall pick, that means people like these. It's working. It's doing a good job. That's what the back looks like. Very thin, as you can see there. So if you're looking for something like this, I think this will do it for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.